Black Father, on whom we depend for food.
Huh?
Ha?
We can pray together as a family to God, our Black Father.
Father, our Almighty Father, please.
God's power is black.
Universal. Universal.
Black dwells in our hearts.
Holy Spirit.
The Holy Spirit, who descended on Mary and the apostles, is the first gift.
Catholic.
Pentecost.
Catholic.
Sa uli na yung sagot.
Holy Spirit brings new family closer to us.
Union.
The Holy Spirit fosters the life and unity of the Catholic Church through His Christ introduced us to the Catholic Church. Physical body. Through the sacrament, the value, strong is the hero, yung family of God. Dito, ang ganda special lesson. Ito. Ang united us to Christ, the apostles, to lay their hands. Ano, yung Opo. Christ, the Son, of